What is the most important precaution that we should take during the Hajj? The most important precaution perhaps is فَلَا رَفَثَ وَلَا فُسُوقَ وَلَا جِدَالَ فِي الْحَجِّ. Do not engage, the Quran says, do not engage in lewd talk, vulgar actions and sin, and do not argue and haggle with people. So make sure to avoid all the sins, no matter how minor they may seem, any vulgar talk, for that matter, any idle talk during the Hajj. I'm sure you understand that while the ajr, the reward for all good deeds in that place goes up multiple times, the punishment for sin also goes up many times. So avoid it. Make sure that you avoid, and if for God forbid you do it, make istighfar immediately. Ask Allah for forgiveness immediately. No lewd talk and no lewd actions and no arguing. Sometimes, because we have Muslims from around the world who come for the Hajj, someone might around you be performing the salah or his rites of Hajj in a manner different from yours. If you feel the person is illiterate and unaware of the real method, do feel free to politely and humbly share with him your views. And if someone would say, no, this is the way I do it, leave me alone, let the person do what they're doing. Do not argue with them. Sometimes, out of great sincerity and love for our fellow Muslim brother or sister, we tend to overdo this. So make sure that no form of argument with people, with shopkeepers sometimes, standing in a line, waiting for your turn. Stay calm. One of the things we learn from the Hajj is that even if a Muslim brother might push you a bit, don't push him back. May Allah accept your Hajj, because the Hajj is without lewdness and wickedness and without argument. The Prophet ﷺ promised us that one emerges from the Hajj as a newborn baby who is free of sin.